Providing incontinence care is essential to the health, comfort, dignity, and overall quality of life for individuals experiencing incontinence. In this video, we'll explain how to use Prevail bladder control pads. Bladder control pads are designed specifically for women and are intended to be worn within an individual's regular underwear. First, open and unfold the product. Remove the peel strip located on the back of the bladder control pad. With the sticky side down, align the pad to the center of the underwear. Once centered, press the pad so it sticks to the underwear, from front to back. Now, gently pull the underwear up and adjust as necessary to ensure a snug fit. Bladder control pads should always be disposed of properly and should never be flushed down the toilet. A variety of bladder control pad absorbencies are available. Please refer to Prevail sizing charts or contact our Prevail e-nurse team for assistance in proper product selection.